So now let's see how we can work around with video degradation filter inside of GIMP. So over here you can see that I have this particular image right here, and to apply the video degradation filter I need to go around onto filter, and then I need to go around over here under distort, and over here you can see that video degradation is an option. So once you go around and zoom in, you can see that it looks like an old TV right here. So you can go around and choose the pattern right here. Like you can go for staggered right here, as you can see, to make it look like an old CRT monitor, as you can see, just like this, and so forth. So you can go around over here and make it rotated over here just like this as well, or disable this out. And then you can also go for additive, or you can go around and then you can see that it becomes darker if I were to choose this. So you can see that that is what you have right here. You can go around and change around the opacity level over here just like this as well. So this is what you have. So if I were to go in and zoom in, this is what you have. You can go for loss staggered over here just like this as well, and you see like it's like a loss sort of an effect right here. Then you can also go for striped, as you can see right here, so you get more like a scan line, as you can see. You can go for wide staggered right here, so that it's wider, as you can see right here. You can also go for long staggered, as you can see right here, so that the dots are longer, as you can see. And you can go for 3x3 over here as well. You can also go for loss 3x3 right here. You can go for hex, as you can see right here, and then you can also go around for dots, as you can see right here. So you get all like video degradation television like effect right here. And you can also make it rotated, as you can see right here. You can change around the opacity, of course, and then see the before and after by clicking on the preview, and see the split view and see the before and after over here just like this as well. So that is what you have. And you can go around and press the blending mode option in order to go around and use the blending mode with the original footage as well. Let me just go around and replace it. So if I want to apply it, then I can simply go around and press OK, and you can see that the video degradation effect will be applied just like this. And that is how you can apply the video degradation filter inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.